Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. I'm Dan and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to block a color or a number on Samsung phones. So here I have a Galaxy A36 5G from 2025 with Android 16, One UI 8.1 and this is the color list. And if you want to block someone from here, it is very easy. Just tap on the color and now tap here on this icon and here we have block. Tap on it and let's read. You will no longer receive any calls from this number, and also you can check delete call history for this number. So to do it, just tap block and that's all. And as you can see now, we have here a little icon that shows us that this number is blocked. You can unblock the number from here. And also if you go back and tap on these three dots, here we have settings and here we have block numbers. And from here you can also unblock the number. This is the number that I blocked before. Just tap here and that's all. And if you want, you can add here numbers to block. You can add from recent calls or from contacts, and also you can add the number manually and tap done, and that's all. Another option that we have here is block calls from unknown numbers. So if you enable this feature, you won't receive any more calls from unknown numbers. So it's good to know that we have also this feature. Okay, now I will go back and again, and if I tap again on these three dots, here we have hide blocked calls. What that means? So if you block a number, you won't be able to receive calls from that number, but you will see here in the list that you receive a call from that caller. Okay, so if you don't want to see anymore, just tap here, hide blocked calls, and you won't see here the blocked calls. And if you want to show the blocked calls, just tap here and now you will see that blocked calls. So that was for today. If you have any questions, please write me in the comment area. I hope this video to be useful for you. And also, if you like my type of content, you can subscribe to my channel, and see you to the next video. Have a nice day.